Welcome WBB stars. Welcome in NOOR, Groningen. I'm one of the chefs of this restaurant and owner. I'm here with my husband, but I'm going to make a dish for you. This is our signature dish. This is the celeriac. We cook it in a salt crust. I'm going to break one open for you now, just from the oven, with my hammer. But first I'm going to explain a little bit about the celeriac itself, how we cook it, the biggest preparation of the celeriac. So we have the celeriac raw. We're going to cook it in a salt crust. So the salt crust is only a combination of flour, some salt, or a lot of salt, some olive oil and water. Then we're going to combine this all and going to roll it out, put the celeriac inside and bake it in the oven 2 hours, 200 degrees Celsius. And then when it comes out of the oven, it's going to look like this. So this is the celeriac when it comes out of the oven after 2 hours, 200 degrees. And you see all the moist is gone out. So it came loose from the outside. So the salt crust, we're going to take this one off. We put it in the bin because we don't need it anymore. We're going to take the skin of the celeriac because we don't want to throw anything away about this dish, only the salt crust. The skin of the celeriac, we're going to take it off. We're going to dry it. And after drying it, we're going to pulver it and put it back on your dish in powder. Then we're going to put it back in the oven, 80 degrees Celsius for 2 hours again. And it comes out like this. So if you keep it together like this, put it together, you see all the moist is gone out. And there's a very intense celeriac flavor in here. We're going to cool it down. Then we're going to cut it. And the center of the celeriac you're going to get on the plate. The outside of the celeriac, we're not going to throw it away because we're, well, no waste. We're going to make a cream out of it. So now we're going to start plating the celeriac. First of all, we're going to smash it a little bit. It's just from the oven. And you can make, it's just like playing around, make some crumbles everywhere. And then you see when I break it open, it comes out and it looks like this. So this one we're going to prep for later. For now, I've already prepped a little bit of the celeriac. First a little bit of the crumbs. Put it on here. Just like playground. My son, he also likes to go in the sand, so it's like a little bit of sand. Okay, so the celeriac. We're going to put it in a dish. It's a celeriac itself, so it has 2 parts. Just specially made for us. And we're going to put the outside, so the skin of the celeriac. We made a powder of it. We're going to put it on the celeriac itself. We're going to put it on the plate, like this. And then we are going to combine this with yogurt. So in this little bottle we have some yogurt. It's a little bit salted, so it's goat's yogurt. A little bit out first. I'm going to put some dots on it. First things out. Oh. Eight of the dots. Sometimes they don't stick as I want to. 8 dots. Then we're going to combine it Put some lemon for the freshness in the dish, because it's a very earthy product. We love to combine earthy products with the lemons, limes, everything that's very fresh. Then we put the cream of the celeriac, the outside of the celeriac. Going to put it in here. So it already looks like a little crown. We're going to take out my instrument. This is salted lemon. This has to go on the dish. Going to put it on the celeriac dots. So it's lemon the Moroccan way. We love to take things out of the whole world to combine it with our Dutch specialties. And then we have some pickled celeriac. Going to put it on the lemon dots. Like this. And then we have the small enoki mushrooms. Going to put this on top as well and put it in all of the other goat's yogurt dots. You have to stand up a little bit. Sometimes they don't work with me. All the fresh products. So you put everything on there. And now you see it's going to be like a little crown. Some nice facts about this dish. We won a cooking competition with it. In English we call it the Golden Chef's Hat. And normally you have to, well, have a Michelin star or be a master chef to compete. Well, we didn't have a master chef or a Michelin star at the time. It was in 2018, if I remember right. And well, we were just like, okay, we just want to compete, so let us compete. And they did. We get a wild card. We were there, a 4-course menu, and one of the dishes needed to be vegetarian. So we chose our celeriac dish. They were blown away, and we won the cooking competition. So we thought, okay, this will be our signature dish. We're going to combine it with something green that's in this bottle. It's bay leaf oil. And in here, there's a small crisp, golden crisp. Put it on top. And putting on the sauce. The sauce is a sauce of fermented celeriac combined with goat's butter. And then when it goes out, put the hat on. And then you have your celeriac dish. Enjoy!